Okay, let's get started. Hello, this is the KYC Snap team. I'm Will, who is building KYC Snap. I'm glad to present the idea of how to improve the KYC US process. Sure, there are three problems we figure out. First, no global KYC. There have been many different solutions for KYC, from centralized exchanges to each solution. But can you trust them? Either you have difficulty going through the KYC or you don't trust third-party solutions. Either way, you need to find a solution that simplifies it. And I think WorldCoin is a solution that takes this seriously. Second one is many individual wallets. So as you can see here, there are many different wallets. Like cold wallet, custodial protocol-specific wallets exist, and each has a various feature. Since I joined 5 years ago in the blockchain industry, it seems the ecosystem is growing. It's a good thing, but you think that Web2 users are interested in that, really? Maybe I think not. Maybe they will choose the most proven and popular wallet. And MetaMask is currently the clear favorite. And this MetaMask is totally open source and keeps improving. Third one is difficult to manage. It's difficult to manage multiple accounts and transaction processing for each individual chain. So Web2 users find this hurdle difficult to cross, and they are not interested in the details. They'll rely on tools that make it easy for them to manage, and they'll be eager to play. So here is the concept of the KYC Snap project. The philosophy is simple. Bet on what's most likely in evolving well, and don't build anything new from scratch. We can't afford to force users to download and start the marketing from scratch. There have been tons of attempts at user adoption, and most of them are garbage. The idea behind this project is to combine what we already do well. So KYC provides a more reliable and convenient solution to these problems. For this purpose, we utilize these three solutions: WorldCoin KYC, account extraction, and Snap. I'd really like to explain in more detail. First, WorldCoin KYC. WorldCoin is a solution to seriously address KYC. The founder of OpenAI is a backer of this project, and given its future and philosophy, we thought it was the right solution to trust this third-party service. As shown on the WorldCoin homepage, there are currently about 23 million users from all over the world who have signed up for the World ID. And the number is still growing in real time currently as well. And MetaMask Snap. We chose MetaMask as our default wallet because it currently has about 80 to 90% market share for Web3 users, with over 30 million active monthly users. Even Web2 users who are not familiar with blockchain are aware of this existence of this wallet. MetaMask Snap is recently released customizable MetaMask tooling that can be kept with various experimental features. For example, you can integrate your own customized solution when sending transaction or sending RPCs. Here, where we send the transaction, we can integrate with the WorldCoin KYC and filter it to only send transactions that have already been authenticated. And account abstraction is a solution to increase flexibility and easy management of account through account contracts. It can improve various access problems, such as paymaster, bundle transaction, transaction, or etc. But among them, we use signature abstraction, so which can serve the security-related drawbacks of EOAs by erasing ECDSA signatures as the default authorization mechanism for non-custodial accounts. This means that individual accounts in Xpla and OSCC can be managed as abstract accounts. And the checks on whether transaction is valid or not can be linked at once with custom rules that we define. And furthermore, you can build a vector-style multi-factor authentication, we call it MFA, to make a transaction subject to the approval of the guardian. So in KY Snap, the guardian is your WorldCoin ID. So we can test by utilizing the advantage of account abstraction in MetaMask Snap. The architecture is very simple and doesn't need to be complicated. It looks like the diagram from Geeks, sorry for that, but it's quite straightforward. The logic for the handling WorldCoin KYC account abstraction is implemented in the MetaMask Snap. So users need to register their identity with WorldCoin KYC before they can play the game. So when sending transactions through Snap, you check whether the user's identity is authenticated in WorldCoin KYC. So once verified, the transaction is sent. So explain what is associated with an account in the account extraction of Snap and use currently implemented EIP 4337. The checks for transaction against the account are managed once and for are in step. It's kind of the parent of source. So I think this could be developed in many different ways, but I need to do more research, actually. So the basic POC we created so far are like this within the hackathon period. Snap authenticates these WorldCoin IDs to the main project and sends transaction only when other WorldCoin KYC is verified. So for the account abstraction, we have only completed the basic configuration. Actually, the implementation is still in progress and is already open source on GitHub. So the roadmap is like this: complete an empathy snap app of the feature we want to implement. Develop explain OASIS specific features focusing on integration with account abstraction. Next, the AI feature is to make it snap faster, safer, and more reliable by utilizing GPT to detect malicious transactions or building a broader monitoring system. So, and we plan to release it. So actually, I'm an experienced full-stack blockchain engineer, worked in the various blockchain companies and have open source experience. Actually, I'm currently working on this program alone, but if anyone is interested, I'd be happy to collaborate, and it's currently open source right now. Thanks for listening. 감사합니다.
Thank you.